This bird right here just flying and slammed into the glass on this. Then rolled over on the floor. Just sitting here now. Hopefully he didn't die. I'm going in. You alright? You alright, little guy? He's alive. Sitting there looking at me. See him breathing? I'm probably scared to death. Nobody's gonna hurt you guys. I think you really fucked yourself up though, because he would have got up and flew away by now. It's crazy the shit you see each day. You okay? Nobody's gonna hurt you. Can you fly? You see it? Get up. You right? You okay, buddy? Can you fly? So, I'm this close to the bird. This so y'all can see how close I am. And he's still not flying, so he must have really hurt himself in that crash. He smashed into that wall really fucking bad. You alright? Huh? I know y'all don't like humans, so I don't want to touch you. Hello? You're not gonna die on us, are you? Hello? Too bright? Let me turn the light off. Is that better? Hey, there you go, your little eyeballs. I knew you'd be alright. You wanna try flying again? This time about running and stuff? Hello? Hello? Gotta be down here getting bit by mosquitoes and stuff. I don't know what kind of bird you are. Are you a yellow-bellied sapsucker, like the honeymooners? Huh? You okay, little birdie? You probably think, this is it. Ain't nobody gonna hurt you over here, bro. You good to go. You gotta recoup from that head injury, huh? Take yourself some time off. Yeah, have a bug. Want a bug? Here comes some breakfast right now. That bug's gonna walk on you, bro. Here he comes. Oh, he gonna walk on you. Oh, he walked all over you, kid. You ain't do shit about it. Eat him. Eat him. You seen him, right? You felt him, right? He don't know who you messing with, right, little yellow belly? You plan to get up? Huh? Huh? You okay? You okay, little guy? You alright? I guess he thought he was gonna die, but I'm not gonna kill him. He's good to go. Well, let me pick you up. Can I pick you up? Okay. You wanna try flying again? Come on. So I picked him up. I don't know if he's gonna try to fly again. Hope he don't shit on my finger. That would be nice. He's moving his head now, so I'm assuming you're okay. You alright, little fella? Yeah, how many hand sanitizer after you, huh? You wanna try flying again, little guy? Huh? You wanna try it again? It's a pretty little bird. You wanna try again? You act like you ain't wanna get up, so I just picked you up. Just to see if you're okay. If I move my finger from behind your ass, you won't shit on it, right? Alright. Hey, little guy. Wanna wait with me for the bus? I'll put you in the grass after, okay? Hold on a second. We okay today? You wanna try flying again? Huh? I'm not gonna throw you in the air. You gotta wanna fly on your own. Hmm? Get my finger from behind your ass. Hmm? Hood TV, we live. You never know what you're gonna see out here. You know? Hood TV is always live. Well, you're looking like you're starting to come to. So, let me put you in this car. Hopefully the owner of the car don't come out and say nothing to me. You ready? You ready to fly? Here you go. I won't hold you. Go ahead, do your thing. Unless you fucked your feet up. There you go. Flying away. Amen. Hood TV, we live.